The Socionext program is really special. It's a very hands-on and practical entrepreneurship development program. We actually help people to start up businesses in just 1 week. About 6 years ago, we started developing an entrepreneurship training program at the University of Amsterdam and further developed this at the Copenhagen Business School. Last year we brought the program to South Africa, and since then 1,200 young South Africans have followed our workshops. Our program takes 25 to 30 young people at a time through a 5-day program, starting with idea generation on day 1. On day 2, we make use of what's called the business model canvas, a single sheet of paper on which you can map out all the elements of your business. This helps to speed up the development of the product, because we want to get to day 3 when we help participants to actually build the first minimum viable product. It's a simple example of the product that they will be selling. And on day 4, we help them to find the right customers and send them out to actually go and meet with customers to get feedback about their product or service. The wonderful thing is that people actually make sales and gain orders on day 4. And then on day 5, we help them to prepare a really professional presentation and hone their presentation skills so that they are able to present to potential stakeholders and investors on the afternoon of day 5. We have provided our workshops to more than 1,200 students and township youth, and in more than 6 provinces across South Africa.
What I learned in this entrepreneurship program is that you can actually start a business from what you have in your pocket.
I think one of the most memorable workshops took place in a township called Pommelong. We had 25 guys who participated, of which 2 were women. They had never done anything in business nor had any entrepreneurship experience. One of the groups came up with the idea based on the fact that a lot of cattle bones were left over after slaughter. They decided to use the cattle bones to produce bone meal, and by day 3 they already had their first package of bone meal packaged themselves, 5 kilograms. They'd worked through the night, Mr. Bones team bone meal. This showed me that there is a lot of hidden talent throughout the townships. Young people who then discover that the survival skills that they have are actually excellent entrepreneurship skills. Over the past year, we've discovered that our program perfectly answers to the needs of many corporates for ways to spend their income in enterprise development and skills training programs. We deliver a 5-day program during which unemployed youth are taken from the streets and turned into active entrepreneurs within 5 days. And we are keen to expand our program to all the provinces in South Africa.
The number 1 idea is the Red Star shopping. Well done, guys.
Well done. Well done.
Well done.
Well done.